Learn English with Om Nom.
Would you like to eat an egg? A yummy, yummy egg? Yes, yes, I'd like to eat an egg with some bread and some cheese, pepper, butter and a pinch of salt, please. Would you like a slice of pizza? A yummy slice of pizza? Yes, yes, I'd love a slice of pizza with some olives and some cheese, oregano, basil. I'll have one, please. Would you like a slice of cake? A yummy slice of cake? Yes, yes, let's bake a yummy cake with some icing and some cream, some chocolate, a cherry, just like a dream.
Subscribe! Click to watch more!